everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Itonga from the 8th to the 12th of December 2025 on Monday. Makomalo battles with the weight of Sarelo's rejection. Meanwhile, Pinda takes delivery of a deadly weapon on Tuesday. Pinda and Zama put their plans for Mbali in motion while Sanele fails to get the love of his back on Wednesday. Mbali is in captivity, wrapped with a ticking time bomb. Makomalo blames Mbungeni for advising Sanele to go after Mbali on Thursday. Mbali's life is in the balance as Sanele makes a choice that could cost them everything. Temba's search for the truth draws him closer to a dangerous fall as Mampele prays for a miracle. Pinda and Zama hide their true intention as the community gathers in fear on Friday. Sanele risks everything to save Mbali from a deadly attack, but danger isn't over when he uncovers who was behind the shocking plot. While the Dladla celebrates, Pinda defends Zama against Pablo, sparking a new romance. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.